Greetings from Söderbysjön and this spontaneous nude beach spot in the nature. It is quite an amazing and impressive nature, and I have found a very nice scenic spot here in the forest to go for a swim. Not so easily accessible, I must say, but I will do my best. It is 14th of July 2026 and currently 24 degrees Celsius in the air, and it's supposed to be warm also in the lake here. So I have found a new beach spot, and I came here actually by running because it is not that far for a quick dip in the lake. So let's then get going into the lake and enjoy a nice swim. Okay, it's quite easy to get in here actually, a lot easier than I thought. So ready, set, and go! Quite amazing. Quite nice indeed. Let's swim along the coast to show you more of the lake Söderbysjön, located in Nacka. The water feels very warm actually, so it's quite amazing and nice. And today is beach number 91, I believe. I'm not really sure at this point, but this week is going to be super hot indeed. So perfect for a quick dip in the lake. And I'm so happy that I found this spot. I'm here for the very first time, so I will be definitely returning here, as it is a lot less people compared to the beach spots that are closer to the public beach. Let's go and come in again. Splendid indeed. Amazing, with other words. Alright, so that was about it. I was swimming for a few more minutes around the lake, but as I mentioned, 24 degrees Celsius in the air and maybe around 20 in the lake, I'm not really sure. But let's continue the great summer that we have, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.